Hey everyone, I'm Joel on the road, and today my UNESCO World Heritage journey is at the Baroque towns of the Val di Noto in Sicily, Italy. So this World Heritage Site is a collection of 7 towns in southeastern Sicily in an area known as the Val di Noto. And these towns were all completely destroyed by a massive earthquake in 1693. After the earthquake, they were rebuilt in the very fashionable Baroque style, and there's still fantastic examples of that architecture. Let's have a look around. First today is the town of Noto, one of the prettiest and best preserved examples of Baroque towns that were rebuilt in this area after the earthquake. Now, in this town we'll find over 50 different churches and 15 palazzos rebuilt in Baroque style, as well as the beautiful Porta Reale, which you can see behind me, or the Royal Gate. Let's have a look around. Behind me you can see Palazzo Niccolacci, and it's one of the most famous palazzos here in Noto. And it's got a classic example of Sicilian Baroque decorations, and that's the decoration on the underside of the balcony. It's got those beautiful ornate support things that just have fantastic decorations. Some of them have curls and swirls. These ones are all carved to look like angels, seraphims and gargoyles. It's really fascinating. So the second stop for today is the town of Modica, and there's not quite as many Baroque monuments still here, but what there is a couple of beautiful churches, and one of them is behind me, Chiesa di San Pietro, dedicated to St. Peter. This one is almost 50 meters high, and it's just got some fantastic Baroque detailing. And so this is the Cathedral of St. George, and it's dedicated to, of course, St. George. This one sits on a cliff top over the town of Modica, and it's very, very beautiful. There's a fantastic view from up here, and yeah, I just love the Baroque flourishes around the windows and the doors and the sculptures all over the facade. It's really, really beautiful, and it's quite nice inside as well. There's a big dome and a cupola on top. Our third and final stop for the day is the city of Ragusa, which is actually the largest city that we've been to here on Sicily with these Baroque monuments. And although there's plenty of them here, they're kind of, a bit hidden away by the rest of the buildings from a modern working city, which is nice to see, but it's also a little bit of a shame. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Joel on the road, and I'll see you at the next World Heritage Site.